So, just want to show you guys quickly the best way, I think, of cleaning the electric cooktop from super heavily baked grease and other stuff is a stainless steel wool. And this thing is magical. This is from stovetop completely cleaned. And this is what just happened yesterday when we had some mishap and some oil got baked onto the cooktop. It's gonna look like this once it's cleaned. So all you have to do, again, wet the top with some water. You can see some water is over here, so I just soak it overnight. And in the morning time, I just come back and do this. You have to apply sometimes a lot of pressure, but it's gonna work. I'm just gonna show you guys when I finish the difference, and you judge for yourself whether you should try this or not. Those walls are super cheap. They're about, I think, $1 each on Amazon, and you can probably get it cheaper at local hardware stores. Anyway, I'll post the link on where you can get it on Amazon. Otherwise, hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, hit the like button or subscribe, and I should have more other home improvement tips for you guys. Thanks. See you in the next one. All right, so it's all gone. Took about 3-4 minutes max. Scrub all three. That one was pretty clean. That one, we rarely use it. Now you can see how easy it is to recondition your cooktop. And this electric stove is more than almost 20 years old. So it's okay that it's got some, signs of use, but in terms of cleaning it, stainless steel wool is the best. I also made a video on how to clean the grill tops using the same thing, the stainless steel wool. And again, anything that needs hard scrub, stainless steel is the best way to go. Okay, and now all I have to do is just soak all those water off the grill, and it's ready to use. Okay, so if you guys found this video helpful, please do hit the like button or subscribe, and I should have more similar home improvement tips coming out for you guys. Otherwise, if you have other better methods that doesn't use any harsh chemicals of cleaning the stovetop, I would love to know. All right, so thanks again, guys. See you in the next one. Take care.